Welcome to the Amazon FBA Stars course. My name is Vic, and on this course I'm going to be teaching you the FBA Stars 10-step process to building a profitable business with Amazon. Within the 10 steps, I'm going to give you an overview of exactly what Amazon FBA is, and so you get a better understanding of private labeling. Then we're going to move on to account setup to make sure everything is set up correctly, regardless of what country you're from and whether you want to sell in the UK or you want to sell in the US. I'm also going to go through the product research techniques that I use that got me 10 products selling in multiple countries, including UK, Germany, and the US. Once you've found your product, we're going to make sure that you add huge value product. I'm going to show you multiple techniques on how to do this so you can beat your competition. We'll find the best suppliers and make sure that you know how to communicate with them best. We'll also find a great shipping company for you to use so you can get your product to its destination. We're then going to move to profit analysis because we need to make sure that you are making money with this product before you put any money down. Once we've done all of this, I will take you step by step on how to make your first order so you don't make any mistakes. And then we're going to go through creating a high converting listing. And why do we want to do that? So when customers land on your page, we make sure that those people turn into sales. And then I'm going to teach you the best way to get reviews and make sure your product is ranked on first page for the keywords that are relevant to your product, because that's where all the sales are made. Once we've done that, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about Facebook ads and Google ads. So what's the best way to go through this course? Well, everybody learns in very different ways, but my advice for a course like this is to go through the whole course as quickly as you can so you have a very good basic understanding of all the steps that are involved. Then once you've done that, go back to each of the steps and start taking action on each of the steps.